An AI girlfriend app that actually remembers your conversations and sends you pictures? Candy AI has over 900,000 users and promises deep customization. But is it actually worth paying for? Let's break it down. Candy AI launched in 2023 as a virtual companion platform. You create an AI girlfriend or boyfriend, customize everything: hair color, personality, interests, voice, backstory, the whole deal. It uses advanced language models to hold natural conversations, not the robotic stuff from 5 years ago. This feels real. The AI remembers past chats and adapts to your style. Over 10 million monthly visitors use the platform. The customization is wild. You pick from hundreds of pre-made characters, anime style, realistic, different ages, different personalities, or build your own from scratch. The new story mode feature is a game changer. You guide interactive narratives, romantic dates, fantasy adventures, whatever you want. The AI generates images to match the story as you go. You can text chat unlimited with premium. Voice messages work too. AI generated selfies or your character, even phone calls with your companion. It supports not safe for work content if that's your thing. Everything is opt in. Here's where it gets tricky. The free version exists, but it's super limited, and the premium starts at about $12.99 per month. Sounds cheap, but that's not the whole story. You also need tokens for extras. Images cost 2 to 4 tokens each, and voice calls eat 3 tokens per minute. Token packs range from $10 to $300. Heavy users report spending way more than the subscription. One reviewer said they bought more tokens than their monthly fee within days. Annual plan drops to $5.99 per month if you commit for a year. The conversation quality gets consistent praise, 4.5 stars from 550,000 reviews. People say it feels natural and engaging. Images look good, but sometimes have weird AI artifacts, minor details that look fake. Overall, visual quality impresses most users. Candy AI works great if you want companionship without judgment, lonely people, those exploring fantasies safely, anyone curious about AI relationships. Bottom line, Candy AI delivers on its promise. The customization and conversation quality justify the hype, but budget carefully. The base subscription is just the start. If you can afford it and want a premium AI companion, it's currently the best option available. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you next time.